Now it should work.
Yeah.
Yeah, great. So I just want to talk a little bit through project number 30, which has a lot of activities. And besides the things that Asim will talk about today, is that we have worked a bit with design practices and combinatorial coverage measurement. So this is a study that is done by Edward and some other people. They have tried to follow how testers actually spend their time when writing test cases, and where they spend the effort. So it's forming strategies, organizing information, identify test goals, and all these things. And the reason why this is important is that what they would like to do is to continue this study with the diary method, to ask people to fill in what they are doing when designing the test cases, and also match these things against other metrics, such as which type of coverage you get. For example, combinatorial coverage is that you can measure, that you can cover interactions between different variables. So this was a smaller study. They hope to do more continually, because they find when they compare test cases with the combinatorial possible interactions that it's not a very good interaction from human-made test cases. We also have an activities Gregory Gay is doing, trying to parallelize tests on different hardware to make it make the lead time shorter. And this is a picture on some synthetic data where with increasing number of hardware units, where you can work with the algorithms, either naive round robin, doing simply randomized, or this yellow means that you use some kind of genetic algorithm to do a little bit more clever optimization. And this shows the total amount of milliseconds it takes to test the things. And this is also planned for the coming sprint, so we will not talk so much about this today. And Jean Malm and Björn Lisper are working on static analysis of code. So they have done a pre-study during sprint 19, but we hope that we will get much more to talk about these things in the reporting workshop next sprint. And we also think of trying to mine data from static analysis to use that into the flaky test detector that Asim will show you in a couple of minutes. So that was all from me, and by that I give the word to Asim.